How to fix the issue of Bluetooth option not available on Windows 11. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with Bluetooth option not available on Windows 11. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to your taskbar. At the right bottom corner, you will see the option of Wi-Fi, sound and Bluetooth. Simply click on it. Once you click, if you don't see the option of Bluetooth, right click on the area and click on Edit Quick Settings. Then after, you will need to click on Add. In this setting, you will see the option of Bluetooth. Simply click on it and enable it. As Bluetooth option is available already in there, that's why you cannot see the option here. Then after, the next solution is click Window plus R and then type service.msc. Then after, you will be directed to the services of your device. Here, you need to search for Bluetooth support service. Once you find it, double click on it and a little window will open where you need to choose the option of stop in service status. Once you click on stop, simply click on yes after that. Then after, again click on start to restart the service. After that, if your issue is still not solved, go to startup type and set it to automatic. Then click on apply and then you are good to go. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with Bluetooth option not available on Windows 11. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.